Let's go through the ingredients. Here are some soft apricots, poppy seeds, some cashews, almonds, walnuts, and a few raisins. Let's dry roast 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds, roast for a few minutes until it turns golden brown. Let's transfer it to a blender jar. Now roast half a cup of walnuts, half a cup of almonds, and 1/3 cup of cashews. Roast them on medium heat for a few minutes. Transfer all the nuts to the blender jar. Time to add 250 grams of apricots. Apricots are rich in antioxidants, are good for eyes and digestion, are rich in vitamins A and C, and are very good for skin. 100 grams of it contains 215 kilocalories. Blend everything. Take out the mixture. Add 1/3 cup of raisins, the mixture is ready. Now all you need to do is make small balls of this mixture. Here's a nice texture and shape. And your healthy sweets to munch on are ready. Super quick, super easy, and super healthy. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.